Sobrang haba, dami ng mga stoppages natin dito. Tayong pagkakataon.
Mga kaibigan, game 5 po ngayon!
Strong play. Kyrie Irving, the ball.
Lakers ako!
Sawing at each other. Medyo baltuan na lang.
Yummy yan!
Second
Yan ako si
quarter.
James
Ito
Harden.
ang nangyari. An 8-point lead for Cleveland. We got early at 41-33. That's right. Ay, wala na.
Putangin na mo!
Andre Iguodala, si Steph Curry at saka Kevin Durant. That's right. Connecting Sean Livingston then, of course.
And the anchor of the defense, I'd say, siya yung piloto dito sa run na ito. 30-7 run since a 10-minute mark na, kung saan lumabang ng 8 ang Cavs, 41-33. Field goal shooting-wise, yung defensive room ng Warriors, they held the Cavs down to 3 out of 12 in that stretch. Sila naman, shooting 10 of 15.
Andre Iguodala, as Kyrie Irving knocks down the technical free throw off a defensive alignment violation. 38. Yan ang run. 7:42. Nangyari yung 13 to 8 run. 14-point lead. Irving pulls up.
Ang haba ng lull kanina, no, Boom? So that might even hold down some people who are wild in rhythm.
And this is the loudest of all the games between
Lakers ako!
inside Tristan. LeBron.
Yan mga kaibigan, yan ang hawaka po ni Stephen Curry. Ayun mga kaibigan, tumatakbo po si Thompson. Ayan na mga kaibigan.
The support they have.
Ano yan? 126, 150.
Sa kabila. So much firepower sa Warriors and sa Cavs, kulang-kulang ang weapons.
Oh, puta, seryoso si Buboy ah.
Lakers ako! Woo! Panalo na Lakers! Woo! Go Kobe!
Nangangalabaw na. Ah, wala na.
Wala na. Panalo na
Champion!
Lakers! Lakers! Woo! Lakers! Woo! Woo!
Paano naging Lakers yan?
Woo! Woo! Ha? Ay!
Yan na.
Kerry!
Ako pumasok. Forced that turnover by Kyrie Irving. Well, Steve Kerr said in the press conference yesterday in practice said, what they don't want to do is give Kyrie so much room. At napansin natin today, ang daming nagkakatapigan on his drives. They want to crowd.
Ayos, nakaganti rin ang Warriors.
Wala. One of two. They really did not give him his three-point shot today.
Hey, screen.
Words Saturday where we won't let him throw up to the line. Ibig sabihin, hindi nila ipapasukat yung three-point line kay Kyrie Irving. I love how Durant was asking the ball from Steph Curry. He was asking for it.
Yeah! Mangulangot pa.
At hindi niya binalik, ha? Kyrie, yun yung challenge ni Kevin Durant ulit. And Kyrie is tired. He is hurting. He is tired with that air ball.
Go Kobe! Kobe!
Kyrie Irving.
Ang ina, Kobe ang putang.
Still doing what he does. But it will be the Golden State Warriors.
Go Kobe!
From their second title in 30 years.
Kobe! Woo! Go Lakers!
Heartbreak.
Go Lakers!
Cleveland Cavaliers.
Ay, walang foul.
Ay, Golden State pala. Ay na pa ako sa Golden State.
LeBron, by the way, with 41 points here, and J.R. Smith with 25. 25, yep, 25.
Ayo, celebration.
Pag-uupad na ako pag nanalo yung Golden State! Charot.
Woo! Nakabawi ang Warrior. Warrior, mga kaibigan. Ayan, umiyak na si Lebron. Lebron!
MVPs exchanging
Durant ang MVP.
at simula na ang selebrasyon dito
Mag
sa
best friend naman yan eh, kaya okay lang. Ayan o, yakapang walang... Ayan ang tunay na kaibigan.
2017
Ayan o.
Lang yan, charot lang yan.
champions. Sa ngalan po ni TJ
Ay puta, pinutol yung celebration.
Boom Gonzalez for ABS
Sa internet na mapapanood.
sa inyong pagtulong
Oh, nagsalamat na.
sa ating coverage. coverage. Balik po tayo kay Anton at Coach Ronnie dyan. Sa kanila. Mabuhay.
Wala na. Panoorin ko na sa YouTube.
Yung